remember coming home one day to find my mother holding an eviction notice at her kitchen table. We'll never forget the pain that we had to go through.
That childhood moment shaped Sean Abreu's career. He became a tenant attorney, and now he's a city council member, fighting to make sure eligible New Yorkers have an attorney by their side if their landlord takes them to housing court.
We're drawing a line in the sand.
In 2017, New York City passed landmark legislation. Low-income New Yorkers have a right to legal representation free of charge in housing court. Councilmember Abreu says evictions have been on the rise in his Upper Manhattan district.
It is a really, really crucial time for tenants in the city to have attorneys right now.
But over the last year, public defenders in housing court have had to turn down 10,000 cases where people had a right to an attorney. The Legal Aid Society explains.
A number of us, legal aid included, had to, shut down our intake process in order to slow in the influx of cases so that we would be able to competently handle the clients that we currently represent.
Several public defender services are now asking City Hall for $351 million in funding to cover the costs of legal representation for every eligible person in housing court, salary increases for attorneys, and additional resources for legal work.
Attorneys leave because they simply cannot afford to continue to do this work.
Their funding request for more than $250 million comes as the mayor just asked city agencies to make a new round of budget cuts, with looming concerns over the city's future economic conditions. Still, Councilmember Abreu remains optimistic.
I believe the city will come forward with a meaningful, significant sum.
Tamsin and Shirley, budget negotiations are underway right now between the city council and the mayor, and Councilmember Abreu says he believes it's a good investment to pay for right to counsel lawyers, saying it's a lot cheaper to pay for a housing court attorney than it is to pay for a family to stay in a homeless shelter. Reporting live from City Hall, Ayanna Harry, Pix 11 News.